What really happens to your hard drive after you send it for data recovery? Is it just repaired? Or is there a highly controlled process behind it? In this video, we'll take you inside our clean room and show you exactly how your data is brought back to life. Welcome to Recovery Squad Australia, your trusted experts in professional data recovery. Hard drives are extremely delicate. Inside them are spinning disks and tiny heads that read your data, all working at microscopic levels. Even a small dust particle can scratch the surface and permanently destroy your data. That's why we use a clean room, a controlled environment with filtered air, no dust, and anti-static protection. It's even cleaner than most medical environments. Now, let's look at what happens when your drive arrives. Step 1. Diagnosis. When your drive arrives, we first run a detailed diagnosis. We check whether the issue is logical, electrical, or physical, because each requires a different recovery approach. Step 2. Clean room handling. If there's internal damage, your drive is carefully taken into the clean room. Our engineers use protective gear and precision tools to safely handle the device. Step 3. Opening and repair. The drive is then opened under controlled airflow. We may repair or replace damaged components like red write heads using compatible donor parts. Step 4. Data imaging. Instead of working directly on your drive, we create a full clone. We create a full sector-by-sector clone. This protects your original data from further damage. Step 5. Data recovery. Finally, we extract your files from the cloned image. Whether it's photos, documents, videos, or business data, we verify everything for accuracy. Our goal is to ensure every possible file is returned to you in perfect condition. Opening a hard drive at home or using random recovery software can make things worse. In many cases, it permanently destroys the chance of recovery. Don't take that risk. Professional clean room recovery ensures the highest success rate while keeping your data safe. If your hard drive has failed, don't take risks. Visit recoverysquad.com.au today. Let our experts handle your data safely and professionally. We're here to help. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us for more tips on data recovery and digital safety. Because your data deserves a second chance. Thanks for watching. Recovery Squad Australia, your data, our mission.